Welcome back, continuing the news. In this evening's health report, it's summer, and that means more time in the sun, but also a higher risk of cancer. Shamela Pullen takes a closer look at the condition.
Skin cancer starts when skin cells grow in an unusual and uncontrolled way. These cells can harm nearby healthy skin, and sometimes they can spread to other parts of the body.
There are lots of things that could potentially be skin cancer. Even something like looks reddish and scaly, it starts to bleed, it heals, it starts to bleed again, it becomes a sore. If you have a sore or an ulcer on your leg for a long period of time that has undergone episodes of healing and it starts to break down again. If you have a sore on your foot and the edges of the sore start to become raised up and heaped up around the rest of the ulcer, that is something that may clue you in.
Anyone can get skin cancer, but some people have a higher risk than others.
So certainly things like ultraviolet light exposure, sun tanning, which is something that we like to do as people who live in the Caribbean, and nothing is wrong with that. Certainly ultraviolet light exposure is one of the things that can predispose you to skin cancer. If it is you have light skin, light colored eyes, light colored hairs, your hair is blonde, you have lots of freckles, you are more prone to developing skin cancer. But don't go away with the idea that because your skin is of a dark complexion that you can't develop skin cancer.
Treatment depends on how far the cancer has spread. It can include a mix of things such as surgery and other methods.
For late lesions, we might need to go into things like radiotherapy. But there is treatment available for skin cancer, and one of the things that we do recommend, if you like to go to the beach, put on your sunscreen, go to the beach early in the day or in the evening. Do not go to the beach and bake in the sun and rub down in coconut oil and bake at 1, 2 o'clock in the afternoon, because those rays are more harmful.
With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen, wishing you good health.